Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Foldylock is probably one of the most innovative and secure bicycle locks on the market, designed to offer unparalleled protection against theft with its unique folding mechanism and robust construction, making it an essential accessory for any cyclist concerned about the safety of their ride. Number 5. Seatylock Foldylock Compact Folding Bike Lock. Introducing the Foldylock Compact, an award-winning bike lock designed for maximum security. Its patented, lightweight design offers superior protection without the bulk. This is the top-rated folding bike lock, offering exceptional portability and strength. It's the perfect solution for securing your bicycle in urban environments, providing robust protection against theft. Enjoy 3 years of peace of mind with this heavy-duty bike lock. Its patented, ultra-secure design is waterproof, weatherproof, and features anti-tamper rivets to stop thieves. This bike lock comes with a master key and an easy carry case for convenience. It unfolds to a generous length, allowing you to secure it to various stands, racks, and bars. Experience a quiet ride with the premium frame mount. This heavy-duty accessory ensures your lock stays put without rattling, perfect for all types of bikes and scooters. Recognized with the 2020 European Design Award, this smart bike lock combines maximum anti-theft security with exceptional quality. It's the ideal choice for keeping your bike safe outside. What we like. This lock is an award-winning, patented design that prioritizes lightweight security. If you're looking for a portable and secure option for urban cycling, this is a great choice. It offers peace of mind with its heavy-duty construction and comes with a convenient carrying case. What people say. The Foldylock is a compact and lightweight bike lock that folds into a small size, making it easy to carry. It features a unique folding design that allows it to be stored conveniently in a saddlebag or backpack. The lock is made of hardened steel, providing good security against cutting and prying attempts. Number 4. Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit Chain 1415 and Disc Lock. Introducing the ultimate security solution for your prized possessions. This robust system is engineered for maximum protection against theft. It features incredibly strong 14mm, 6-sided chain links crafted from hardened manganese steel. This ensures unparalleled durability and resistance. A durable, protective nylon cover is included to safeguard your belongings. It comes with hook and loop fasteners for a secure fit. The package also includes a maximum security New York disc lock. Its 15mm max performance steel shackle provides exceptional strength. Experience enhanced security with a patented, hardened steel crossbar. The hardened double deadbolt locking mechanism offers extensive holding power. Weighing in at 15.25 pounds, this security system is built to be formidable. It's designed to give you peace of mind. What we like. This is a seriously heavy-duty chain lock designed for maximum security. If you need the toughest protection for your bike in high-risk areas, this is the one. Its hardened manganese steel links and double deadbolt offer unparalleled resistance to theft. What people say. I am able to connect the chain through both bike frames and through both back wheels with this one chain. I have not had to worry one bit about my bike when using this chain. The primary key has an LED light. Great for dark areas. Number 3. SIGTUNA Folding Bike Lock. This foldable bike lock is certified and made of specially hardened steel bars and rivets. It provides the strongest security for your bikes or scooters. Its large radius allows you to lock up to 2 bikes at once or secure your bike to thick poles. Plus, its waterproof and rust-proof features ensure a longer lifetime. Assembly takes only a few minutes. You can mount it using the rubberized anti-slip Velcro straps or screw it onto the bottle holder. The extra soft plastic casting ensures no paint scratches on your frame. Its anti-lock picking design will protect your bike from thieves. If you encounter any problems, please contact us for the best solution. We are here to help. What we like. This folding lock offers a great balance of security and convenience. If you need to lock up multiple bikes or a bike to a thick pole, its large radius is ideal. The anti-scratch coating also ensures your bike's paintwork stays pristine. What people say. The Foldylock is a robust and secure bike lock that offers excellent protection against theft. Its foldable design makes it incredibly convenient to carry and store when not in use. The lock mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, even with one hand. Number 2. Seatylock Mason Bike U-Lock. Introducing the Seatylock Mason, a revolutionary U-Lock designed for ultimate bicycle security. Its patented heavy-duty construction offers unparalleled protection against theft. This lock boasts 20/20 Diamond Sold Secure rating, making it the best portable and solid professional choice to protect your bicycle. It's engineered to be proof against bolt cutters, drills, and saws. Experience 3 years of peace of mind with its ultra-strength, heavy-duty anti-theft technology. The hardened steel components and weatherproof protector ensure high-level theft prevention. Locking up is a breeze with its super-wide opening, accommodating up to 115 mm clearance. This oversized design allows for flexible use and fast protection anywhere, without the need for a chain or code. Featuring a unique automatic cylinder shutter, it's super specialized to be anti-rust, dust, dirt, water, and weatherproof. This makes it ideal for e-bikes, scooters, and motorcycles. Equipped with double protective deadbolts, it provides smart and strong safety against twist attacks. This tough anti-theft guard device comes with keys and a protective cover case for your frame. What we like. This U-Lock boasts Diamond Sold Secure rating for ultra strength and security. If you prioritize robust protection and a wide locking clearance for easy use, this is an excellent option. Its unique design offers superior resistance to various theft methods. What people say. The Foldylock is a compact and portable bike lock that folds into a small size, making it easy to carry around. It is made of hardened steel, which provides good security against cutting and prying. The lock comes with a mounting bracket, allowing you to attach it to your bike frame for convenient storage. Number 1. Kryptonite Keeper Folding Bike Lock. Introducing the Kryptonite Keeper Folding Bike Lock. It features a high-security design with hardened steel bars for superior cut resistance. The durable rubber coating protects your bike from scratches and wear. This lock offers a generous 2.75 to 3.25 feet of usable locking length. It's perfect for securing your bike, scooter, or other accessories to various fixed objects. Weighing only 1.90 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and compact. You can easily store it in your backpack or mount it on your bike frame for convenience on the go. Transporting your lock is a breeze with the included easy-to-install bracket. It attaches simply to your bike frame, ensuring hassle-free travel. This lock provides durable and compact security, ideal for short stops or securing your ride in areas with low to medium theft risk. It comes with 2 keys and a mounting bracket. Register your lock to qualify for Kryptonite's anti-theft protection offer and their key-safe key replacement service for added peace of mind. What we like. This folding lock is designed for riders on the go who need a compact and lightweight security solution. If you're looking for a lock that's easy to carry and suitable for short-term stops in lower-risk areas, this is a practical choice. It offers a good balance of portability and security. What people say. The length is sufficient to lock a bike frame around a good-size post or other sturdy object, and simple to operate. The lock itself is coated with a soft material so it won't scar your bike during use. The flexible hinges allow you to wrap this around oddly shaped objects. It folds up nicely and stows on the bike easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.